All right, everyone, I'm here to help you with 6i. So we're going to start by finding the inverse. And to find the inverse, I'm going to switch x and y. Okay, now what I need to do is I'm first going to try to clear the fraction. And to clear the fractions, I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator. So that goes away. And so I'm going to have x times y squared plus 1 equals y squared minus 1. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to distribute the x. So I have xy squared plus x equals y squared minus 1. Now I'm going to want to move all of my y's to one side. So I'm going to add the 1 to the left. And then I'm going to subtract the xy squared. So all my y's are on one side, everything else is on the other. And then on this side, I can factor out my y squared, and I'd be left with 1 minus x. Okay. Now I'm going to try to isolate y by dividing by 1 minus x. And then I'm going to take the square root. So the square root could be plus or minus the square root of x plus 1 over 1 minus x. Now, since the domain is x is less than or equal to 0, that means that the range of the inverse, this is the inverse function, the range of the inverse is y is going to be less than or equal to 0. And so y needs to be negative. So my inverse function is going to be negative square root of x plus 1 over 1 minus x. Now, this is such a strange function, and so to find its domain, I would literally just put it in the calculator, and in the calculator you can see that the domain is from -1 to +1. This is a little bit of a strange question. I would give you a question like this, but without the squares in it, okay? I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.